Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a surprise fold for basically an Among Us Christmas imposter. All right, it's going to be super easy, simple, and I'm going to walk you through the entire thing. All right, so let's walk through it. Let's go over the paper folding first. This is regular printing paper, stuff that from the computer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually fold this in half, just directly in half. You'll get yours and fold yours in half as well. Also, I forgot to say, while I'm doing this, don't forget, hit the subscribe. I'm going to be posting Halloween and Christmas time, so absolutely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification so when next year rolls around, you'll start seeing these cool drawing lessons in your feed. Okay, cool. And I'm going to actually fold it at half again. Right here. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. So I got markers all over my hand. People think this is like I cut myself or something. It's just marker. Okay, guys, I have like a red marker here. It's funny. All right. So now we have something like this. That's what we want, right? Boom, boom. So we're gonna start in it in its chill form, in its very very mellow form here. Okay, cool. So let's start jumping in here to the drawing. Pause this at any moment if you need to like pause and finish folding your paper. So first thing I am going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start drawing the crewmate's, what do you call it? There you go. The visor right here. So edge of that visor. Curve along the top. Curve along the side. And then underneath, that looks like a pillow. Honestly, that's the way it looks like to me. It looks like a bloated pillow. I literally think that. I don't know if anybody else thinks that, but that's pretty much what I think. All right, gonna pull a line down here. Gonna go over here up for the forehead, and I'm gonna draw a line. Well, kind of a line. It's going to be bubbly line right here across for the hat, right? We got the Christmas hat on. Going to go over here on this edge over here for the side of that Christmas hat. And I'm going to pull it over here across. Christmas hat's essentially like what, like a rectangle, right? But with fuzzy, kind of fuzzy layer. Going to pull a line down here. And I'm going to go to the top here. Line for the top of that hat. I almost went off the paper. Sorry about that. Pull it in a little bit. There you go. Pull line down. Line up here. Right? You're going to pull a line for this side of the hat. And then I'm going to go into this line. And I'm going to pull down to the tip. And then I'm going to have that little popcorn ball over here. Right on. I'm going to draw this. I'm going to continue this line all the way down. That's the front of the body. Curve right here for the bottom of the foot. That's going to be, over here. Same thing on this side. Straight down. Curve in. Because it's got like teddy bear feet, right? Pulling up, out. For the basically under the body there, and then curve up here. So he's got like a teddy bear body. Let's draw the backpack. Go a line over here, out, down, and continue to more or less draw through that. And I'm going to curve in again, right? You want to make that look as seamless as you can. So right now we got a regular crewmate. Right here, let's do the shine. Curve, line through here. It looks like a highlight. Circle over there. Right now it looks like a regular crewmate, right? Perfect. So now let's open up the fold and draw the center portion of him. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a line down. Line over here for the mouth. First thing I'm going to draw this all the way down. Gotta draw this line up right here for the lip area. And I'm gonna pull that straight down for the back of the mouth. Gonna pull this back all the way down. Would have been better if I made him a little wider so it won't look so elongated, but this works. This still works. And then I'm gonna draw the teeth underneath here. See that? Triangle, triangle. Right here as well. Triangle. Different sizes if you can. And I'm gonna draw the tongue out here. Like there. Pull back. Gonna give some thickness to that tongue as it goes down. Line here. And on the back I'm gonna draw this. See this? I'm gonna draw the far side of the mouth. And I'm gonna fill that in with my dark marker here. Fill it in here on this side with a dark marker. Definitely hit the subscribe. The folds are, hard to teach, to figure out. So definitely, if you want to help me out, for helping you out, definitely hit the like. Right on. So let's get into a little bit of color. Right? So I'm going to use a red over here for the hat. I'm using marker, by the way. You can use anything you want. You can use crayon. You can use colored pencil. Pause it if you need to go get something. But I'm using marker here, and the thing about marker is it's just quick to demo. That's why I'm using it. My choice would probably be colored pencil. I really like colored pencil. That's like my favorite medium, to be honest, colored pencil. As far as color goes, well, color I like digital, but I'm gonna grab a pink over here for the tongue. Ooh, this marker is dying here. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit of something out of it though, by pressing down on it and going slow. There we go. Ooh, I need to replace this one. Wow. But like I was saying, what was I saying? There we go. I'm getting a little bit out of that. But yeah, Prismacolor would be my marker of choice though, because Prismacolor doesn't actually smear. Where some of the other markers, they smear, like they'll smear my black. If I go through it like that, it would have smeared, right? And I don't want that. That's too light. That's too dark. I mean, I'm gonna have like a lighter blue over here for the reflection off the visor. And you don't really want that. What you want is something that doesn't smear every time you touch it. Touch the black marker. And the Prismacolors are honestly the only ones that do that. I want him to be white. So I'm going to draw like a line over here along the edge. And when something's white, I like drawing a blue line along the edge of it. Because it makes it look like it's reflecting light. Like it just kind of has this blue tone to it. So I draw along the edge. It doesn't have to, it could be all edges or it could be some edges. I could draw it over here in the mouth. Like I said, it doesn't have to be all edges or anything, but I am doing pretty much all the edges. Alright. And let's see what we got. Yeah, that's about it. Let's see what we got as far as what we're done with, what we're set with. So right here we got, here. Oh, regular crewmate. Let me take this out over here. Uh-oh, regular crewmate, right? Surprise! No, you're not. Anyways, there you go. That is a surprise fold out Among Us. Definitely subscribe, and like I said, hit that like, and please, if you want to do a favor, share the video. Share it with a friend that you think might enjoy this, and that helps so much. Merry Christmas. I'll talk to you later. Also, don't forget, if you like the way I teach, go to my Skillshare. I teach you the basics if you want to learn to draw, if you're brand new at drawing, or if you're intermediate even. Especially though if you're brand new, go to my Skillshare. I'm going to go over all the basics of head drawing, of body drawing, of everything you can think about when it comes to drawing. Anime, I even go for anime, how to draw dragons. I have all the fun stuff there, how to draw an orc, everything. Go check that out. Right now, it's completely free when you click that link in the description. When you click that link in the description, it's free for a month, you know? And like I said, you get a full month for free. And it's not like one of those things where you pay and then you get the first month for free. No, this can be totally for free. And then you just cut off the membership thing to Skillshare and you just never pay, you know? So take advantage of that. That's a great deal. But yeah, hit that up in the description. Talk to you later.